Pseudocode for beginners. With real examples. What does pseudocode mean? Pseudocode is a simple way of writing program logic in plain English or human language without using real programming syntax. In simple words, pseudocode equals fake code written for humans. So, it looks like code, but it is easy to read and not tied to any programming language. Example idea. Write steps like instructions equals pseudocode. It means, pseudocode is a way to plan a program, a way to write logic before coding, a bridge between thinking and coding, easy to read and understand, independent of any language. So, pseudocode equals logic in words. Why it matters. Without pseudocode, crossmark hard to think clearly. Crossmark code becomes messy. Crossmark more bugs. Crossmark logic mistakes. Crossmark hard for beginners. With pseudocode, checkmark logic becomes clear. Checkmark code is easier to write. Checkmark fewer errors. Checkmark easy to explain. Checkmark easy to convert into any language. Real-life examples of pseudocode. Think of pseudocode like instructions memo. Example 1. Making tea. Start. Boil water. Add tea leaves. Add sugar. Pour into cup. End. Example 2. Check age. Start. Input age. If age is greater than or equal to 18. Print adult. Else. Print minor. End. So, steps written clearly. No strict rules. Easy to read. How pseudocode works. Step by step. Understand the problem. Break into steps. Write steps in simple words. Add conditions if needed. End the process. Flow. Problem means steps means code. Example scenario. Real life. ATM withdrawal logic in pseudocode. Start. Insert card. Enter PIN. If PIN is correct, ask for amount. Dispense cash. Else. Show error message. End. Here. No programming symbols. Just logic. Anyone can read it. This makes the system. Checkmark easy to design. Checkmark easy to explain. Checkmark easy to convert into code. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often try to write real code. Use confusing words. Skip steps. Forget end. Mix syntax of languages. These happen because pseudocode has no strict rules. Good practices for pseudocode. Checkmark use simple English. Checkmark one step per line. Checkmark capitalize keywords. Start. If. End. Checkmark keep logic clear. Checkmark focus on steps. Not syntax. Bad. Crossmark complicated symbols. Crossmark writing Java or Python code. Crossmark long unclear sentences. Good. Checkmark input number. Checkmark add two numbers. Checkmark display result. Real life analogy. Pseudocode is like a rough draft pencil. Before final essay, you write outline. Same with programs. Pseudocode equals outline. Code equals final version. Important point. Pseudocode is not real code. Will not run on a computer. Is only for humans. Helps design programs. Can be converted to any language. Without pseudocode. Crossmark logic mistakes. Crossmark hard coding. Crossmark more debugging. Simple definition. Pseudocode equals a simple, human-readable way to write program logic without real programming syntax. Summary. Pseudocode. Checkmark helps plan programs. Checkmark makes logic clear. Checkmark reduces errors. Checkmark is language independent. Checkmark is beginner friendly. Without pseudocode, crossmark coding becomes trial and error. Crossmark logic becomes messy. Crossmark more bugs. With pseudocode, checkmark coding becomes structured. Checkmark thinking becomes clear. Checkmark programs become better.